Ki pulit jong ka jylla Meghalaya, hapoh ka jingialam jong Director General of Police Dr L R Bishnoi, mynta ka sngi ka tarik jymmang, kila Pynlong ka peace meeting Hapdeng ki Jaitbynriew Kuki bat Meitei, kiba shong basa nongba Shillong. Ya katei ka Jingialang, la Pynlong ha Nagaland House kaba ha Shillong, ha kabalaya donlang DGP L R Bishnoi, ki ophisar ka Meghalaya Police, Director ka ICCR Munish ki nongialam jong ki kena kuliah Manipur, bat ki nongialam jong ki Jaitbynriew Kuki bat Meitei, kiba shong basa ha Shillong.
Please shake hand with each other. ये तो हमारा पुराना है। सर, see my channel. Where are you staying? I stay at We have organized an interaction meeting with the community leader and the students leader of both Kuki as well as Meitei community. After unfortunate and tragic incidents in the Imphal and other parts of the Manipur, we have decided that there should not be any misunderstanding among the citizens of both community living in Shillong and other parts of Meghalaya. So we thought it wise as a preventive step to invite the community leader and the student leader of both community, and we have expressed our concerns towards any kind of mistrust or misunderstanding. Yesterday, a small scuffle took place in the Nongba area under Limokra stations, where some of the youths of one community was targeted by others. But unfortunately, the police rushed to the spot immediately and prevented these incidents to further from flaring up. We invited the community leaders of both the communities in the Limokra police stations, and there they have assured us to maintain peace and order and to overcome any kind of misperception, misunderstanding, mistrust among the leaders of both communities. Today we have invited them in this Naga Darbar halls and just explored the thoughts of their minds. They have shared their concerns with the police, and we have also exchanged certain tips on how to go about it after the violent incidents in Manipur. And everybody assured us that we will maintain peace and order, and they also assured us for full cooperation with the police officials. And I'm sure that the peace will be maintained, and whatever existing relationship is there, it will be further strengthened by this interaction. And if need arises, we can go for more such interactions to remove any kind of misunderstanding from their minds.
Any more arrests?
It was very minor scuffle, misunderstandings, and police reached on the spot immediately, and we counseled them properly. Proper counseling was done, and they also realized their mistake, and they assured us never to take law into their own hands from now onwards. And in good faith, both the community leaders they executed bond, and we have allowed them to go back.
But whether these cases are dropped?
Yes, sir. It will be dropped from prosecution side.
Well, since we know that the government is evacuating these students from Manipur, so once they come back, this trauma will be there. So how police will ensure the safety of these students who are coming from Manipur?
These students are safe. We are in regular touch with the senior officers of Manipur. Today itself I have spoken with the DGP Manipur, and they have assured us to provide full safety to the citizens. And today, one chartered plan is going to Imphal to bring back the students of Meghalaya. We have got the list of 61 students who are studying in agriculture and food technology institutes and some in the RIMS also. And if second lot also, the Honorable CM has assured that they will be brought back till the situation settles down there, till the situation normalizes. And I'm sure that I have spoken with DGP, lot of forces have reached there, and within a couple of days the situation will become normal.